The Medical City has launched a simulation of its vaccination processes for frontline health workers. To tell us how that went, we have Gerard de la Peña reporting to us live from the Medical City in Pasig. Gerard, good afternoon. Is TMC now ready to receive and distribute vaccines to frontliners?
Well, Charles, the Medical City is one of the big private hospitals who were promised of COVID-19 vaccine allocations for its frontliners. But while everybody is still awaiting the actual arrival of the COVID shots, well, the hospital is now preparing for the actual distribution and administration of the vaccines to its doctors and nurses, which can be quite tedious and tricky. Well, the hospital did a simulation of the actual vaccinations this morning, which also served as its time in motion study. The simulation process involved the registration, checkup, actual vaccination, and post-monitoring for side effects. The hospital also did a simulation of what it will do in case of a code or when someone who got the vaccine exhibits side effects and needs to be rushed to the emergency room. And more importantly, there was also a simulation of the preparation of the vaccines by a pharmacist. Dr. Carl Henson, director of the hospital's infection control, said they are preparing for the administration of Pfizer vaccines, which is quite sensitive and needs a bit more work due to its temperature requirements compared to other brands such as AstraZeneca. He said today's simulation showed that there are certain aspects that still need fine-tuning, such as preventing vaccine recipients from huddling at the registration area, as this might lead to a neglect of physical distancing protocols. The Medical City has already submitted 4,000 names to the DOH for the allocation of vaccines. Dr. Henson said it will take 10 days to get all their doctors and nurses vaccinated. But he said it is up to the government how many vaccines they will provide, as well as which brand will ultimately be given and when these will arrive. Charles, the hospital still have to make some adjustments in the manner that it will distribute and administer the vaccines, and that is judging from today's activity. Charles.
Thanks for that, Gerard. That was Gerard de la Peña reporting live from Pasig.